are important for the physical and mental well being of humans. Individuals who play sports remain healthy. India has produced many sporting legends like Sachin Tendulkar, also known as Master Blaster, P.T. Usha, also known as Payoli Express, and Major Dhyan Chand, also known as Hockey Wizard. National Sports Day of India is celebrated on 29th August every year to commemorate the birthday of Indian hockey legend Major Dhyan Chand. This article sheds light on Indian hockey wizard Major Dhyan Chand, history and significance of National Sports Day of our country. Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand, widely known as Wizard of Hockey, the greatest hockey player of India. Major Dhyan Chand Singh was born on 29th August 1905 in present-day Prayagraj, UP. After getting a basic education, Dhyan Chand joined the Indian Army as a soldier in 1922. Major Dhyan Chand was a true sportsperson and was motivated by Subedar Major Tiwari, who was himself a sports lover. To play hockey, Dhyan Chand started playing hockey under his supervision. Due to his outstanding performance in hockey, Dhyan Chand was appointed as Lance Nayak in 1927 and was promoted to Nayak in 1932 and Subedar in 1936. In the same year, he captained the Indian hockey team. He went on to become lieutenant captain and was eventually promoted to major. Major Dhyan Chand's performance. Major Dhyan Chand was a great hockey player. If a ball stuck in his stick, it scored a goal. This was the reason that once his stick was broken during a match to check whether the stick has any magnetic or something else inside it. Major Dhyan Chand was a part of the three-time Olympic gold medalist Indian hockey team. At the Berlin Olympic Games of 1936, Dhyan Chand was elected as the captain of the Indian hockey team. The goals scored by Major Dhyan Chand. Major Dhyan Chand had scored more than 400 international goals in his career from 1926 to 1948 while scoring nearly 1,000 goals in his entire career. In a bid to pay tribute to such a legendary player, the Government of India decided to celebrate his birthday as the National Sports Day of India.